Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever it is, whatever time it is there. Good that, good that. It is about 6 a.m. here. We're planning on going to Big Sur for 3 days and come back Wednesday. So I'll be just doing one whole video, booking up to different days for the vlog, and a whole video that's cinematically for Big Sur and stuff like that. So I got everything packed away, and we got everything ready. So right now I'm just making coffee, and I'll go ahead and put the stuff away. So go ahead and see you in the car. Alright, so it, the sun's out, so that's a good thing. I didn't want to leave before the sun came out, but it's okay. It's better this way, so that way we get to Big Sur, or where we're staying first, which is San Simeon, a little later, because the check-in time for the hotel is later anyways. So we're gonna go and hit the dunes at Pismo Beach. Hopefully they're open. I want to get some nice aerial shots and see what happens, and we'll see where that goes. I got everything in the car, and right now it's just the matter of getting the coffee and then just leaving. We're heading to Pismo Beach Dunes right now. We're about 3 hours away, about 2.5, and right now it's just pretty much clear. Today it's supposed to be a little bit cloudy, but we'll see how it is, and hopefully we'll get something, but if not, at least it'll be a nice drive. So enjoy some backseat B-roll, and we'll be there shortly. So we made it to the Oceana Dunes. We're just walking up the dunes right now because I'm trying to get a hill shot, and where it's untouched dunes. So it's gonna be a little bit further, but not that far. Gonna get some videos and gonna get some photos, and then we're gonna leave to San Simeon. So not that long, maybe 15-20 minutes tops. It's pretty windy, and it's a national recreation area, so even though if it wasn't windy I still couldn't fly my drone, at least I'll be able to get photos and videos here. So we'll see how that goes. So let's see what we can get. So got back from the dunes, and alright, so we just got some lunch. It's about 1:30. We're about an hour away from our hotel in San Simeon, so we're just gonna go ahead and head to San Simeon, and probably take a shower and take a nap because we haven't really slept at all, and we're there for about 2 days, so we'll have plenty of time to rest and go to Big Sur and all that. We are at the hotel right now, and I'm gonna take a shower and take a nap because I have not slept. I only slept like for an hour today. So I'm just gonna go take a shower, take a nap, edit the photos, and if we continue just looking around San Simeon for today, I'll vlog that. If not, then we'll vlog tomorrow going to Big Sur the whole day. What's up, guys? It's 2 o'clock here. This is day 2 of the Big Sur trip, or well, today's the full day that we're here. But today mainly we're gonna go along the coastline of Big Sur and hopefully get some sunset at Midway Falls and do some astrophotography at Bixby Bridge. But right now we're just making some coffee, and we're gonna go to the market, and we'll be on our way. What's up, guys? So we're not at the first spot yet, but I decided to just pull over on the side here. Big Sur is also well known for pulling over on random spots to take nice pictures because pretty much the whole coastline is very beautiful. But behind us we got the coastline, and I wanted to get this picture right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos and some videos, and then we'll go ahead and go to the next park, which is the state park. We're here at Bixby Bridge. It is about 10 o'clock at night, and we're gonna do some astrophotography here. It's pretty windy here, and also there's a lot of stars here. I'm not sure about the Milky Way though. It is supposed to be a moon tonight, but I can't find it, so maybe we'll get lucky and get a shot of the Milky Way, who knows, but definitely stars. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now because it's a lot of stars near the ocean. This is day 2 of the Big Sur trip. It is Tuesday. Today is our last full day here, so what we're planning on doing is just kind of exploring San Simeon and going about 30 minutes that way and getting this nice house that's on this piece of land outside of the coast, and that will be pretty much it. So maybe I'll vlog our exploration around San Simeon, and if not that, then we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and just get some coffee and some lunch. And it's windy, so I just went and already got some photos, but pretty much elephants are over there, and that's pretty much it. So right now we're just gonna explore the town of San Simeon, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and explore the town. Alright, we're here at the hotel. I just finished editing a couple of my photos from today, and we are going to go to the lighthouse that is about 5 minutes away, and we're going to get a lighthouse shot of it going around with the light beaming through, a video and a long exposure. Hopefully with some stars, who knows, but that'll be the end of today and pretty much the end of the trip. Just tomorrow we're just gonna pack everything up and just pretty much leave. So let's go ahead and head to the lighthouse right now.
I don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw.
This is day 3. Everything is packed up in the car and we're leaving right now. We're just gonna go get some dessert real quick, or just to say that we got something from here, and we'll be on our way. It's about 4-hour drive, 3 hours and 49 minutes. So just to do some backseat B-roll, and that'll be pretty much it.
My car in the giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.